Hello friends, in today's video we are going to discuss about how to create links using HTML. Welcome back to another episode of HTML with Screen Readers. In this series we are learning HTML with NVIDIA Screen Readers. This is a special gift from our side for completing 3000 plus subscribers. Thank you so much for your true support. To create a link using HTML, you have to use anchor tag along with one attribute called href. This is a small file which I have created, and here within the body I have only created one heading.
Less h1 greater images.
So
Images less,
I just
less.
replace this images with links.
Less h1 greater links less lang.
So here I want to put the link. Now to use hyperlink you must have another page or any other URL.
Systems start.
So hyperlink is basically used to link one HTML page to another. When you visit a website, you have seen many links like navigation links. Within navigation links you can find the main page of the website such as home, about us, contact us, privacy policy, etc. So there are many pages like privacy policy, about us, contact us, and they just need to link them using this anchor tag and href attribute. So let us see how we can do this. So for our project we have one page called index.html. So let me link this.
Less h1 lang.
So to link this, first let me copy the file name because file name is very important. I have already copied the file name. Now here I need to type. So let me turn on the characters.
Speed type characters on.
So I'm typing less a
space
then href, which means hyperreference.
href ref equals quote.
As attribute always has a value, so in the value we need to write the file name. If our file name is in a subfolder, so we should use the subfolder name slash the file name, or if our file is within the subfolder and subfolder, so we use subfolder slash file name.html. And if you want to go back, if our file is the one step back, which means where we are working, our working file is in a subfolder, and our which file I want to link, that is in the main folder, so we use // for reverse purpose. This is we already spoke about in our image sessions, so if you miss you can check out, and from the next time I'll not repeat this because this is a file path and file path is very important. So I have successfully entered this
Less ref equals index.html.
index.html. So this is called a relative URL, which means I just put the file name or I just put the file URL which is within my PC, within this folder or within this subfolder.
Carriage return.
So now here I'm just closing the quotation
Quote.
and giving the greater sign.
Greater.
So less a greater, less slash a greater, this is the total element. So I have started opening tag and give the href attribute, then write the value, then greater. So opening tag is completed. Now here you need to write the label, which label you want to write. So for example here I am just giving home page.
H-O-M-E-P-A-G-E.
Okay, so I just use this home page. Now I just close this anchor tag.
A greater.
So now it is completed, it is closed. Next I just need to add one br tag because a or anchor element is an inline element, which means if I just start the element right now, the element will not start from the new line. It can help other people, but when you read NVIDIA using NVIDIA, when you press up arrow down arrow, all links will be read once. You need to use tab to read one by one. So to avoid this I just use less br greater tag here.
Less br greater.
And next I want to add another link, but there I will use absolute URL.
Lesser lang.
Let's suppose I want to link Google's Gemini application here. So let me start the anchor tag.
Less a space.
Use href attribute.
href ref equal quote.
Here I am typing https://
https
Gemini dot
google.com quote.
Now here I want to open this link in a new tag. new tab. Okay, so what to do, what I should do,
Space.
I just give a space and use another attribute called target. So let's see, I just use target, T-A-R-G-E-T.
T-A-R-G-E-T. T-E-G-R-A-T space space. Quote. Quote space.
So I just type target,
T.
T-A-R-G-E-T
A-R-G-E-T.
equals,
Target equals.
within quotation,
Quote.
I need to write the value of this target attribute, which is underscore blank, shift plus dash.
Line.
Okay, blank.
B-L-A-N-K. Blank. Quote.
Then I use greater than,
Greater.
which means when I press enter on this link will open in a new tab. Now I have successfully opened the anchor tag and used the required attributes. Next I need to type the label. So let's suppose I am typing Gemini and in brackets I type opens in a new tab. So let me type the label.
G-E-M-I-N-I. Gemini. Left right parent. O-P-E-S-O-I-A-A-E-W-E-N-A-A-A-T-T-E-W new T-A-D.
See,
Less ref equals https://gemini.google.com target equals blank greater Gemini opens in a new tab.
so I have written this.
Carriage return.
Now I just close this anchor tag.
Less/a greater.
So this is how I can easily
Less carriage return.
Create the hyperlink using HTML. Next I'm just giving again one BR tag here.
Less BR greater.
Now the third one I want to show you, which is how to create link with images. So for that I have already one image attached here.
Blank. Less index RC equals autumn.jpg width equals 500.
Okay, so I keep it as it is. Just I wrap this image tag within an element, anchor element.
Less.
So I start anchor element.
Less a space.
href.
8ref ref equal quote.
Within this I just give a value. Let's suppose let me just open the internet
Taskbar new tab.
and here I just find the link of Autumn's
UTOM N autumn space ENCLYCOPEIA in Clickopedia. No known clickable showing resume land clickable autumn definition characteristics and facts heading level 3 link Britannica clickable autumn heading level link Wikipedia link heading level 3 autumn.
So let me copy this link,
Task
come back to our
Start.
project.
quote less N less
Here I just paste
Quote.
that link, the absolute URL.
space
Then
space
I just close this, like not close, like use greater. And after that, instead of writing the label of the link, I just add the image. I just use the image tag.
IMG space RC equals quote AUTOMN dot JPG quote.
Here, when you use the alt text, that alt text could be the link of the label.
Width equal 5 quote height equal auto quote alt equals autumn greater N quote greater quote greater.
So if you are interested, you can add the label here, but see, as the autumn picture is linked with this URL, so whenever a sighted people can see the autumn picture, they can understand. But for us, we have already the alt text. But if I want, I can write. So here within a parenthesis I can write, or whatever I want I can write. Okay, so for this I'm not writing anything.
/a greater.
I just close the anchor tag. So these are 3 links which we have created. First link's homepage, which will take me to index.html page, and second link which will take me to gemini.google.com in a new tab, and the third link which will take me to the Wikipedia of autumn, and this link has an image. So let's see the output.
HTML row HT.
To see the output, let's find this file
Inject
template.html. So let me press enter to open it.
HTML project for YouTube system HTML.
Now see above
Heading level 1 links.
So below
Visited link homepage.
Visited link homepage. Why it is said visited? Because I have many times visited this index.html page from my browser. If I clear the cache and cookies of my browser, then this link will be unvisited. So next I'm pressing down arrow.
Visited link Gemini. Opens in a
Gemini
new tab.
opens in a new tab.
Visited link Graphic Autumn.
Graphic Autumn. So when you press enter, the Autumn page will open. So let's do one by one.
Heading visited link home page.
So let's click on home page.
My first HTML page. Heading lesson tutorial. We are going to learn
It's opened. Now in this index.html page, if I create another link back to this template file, so I can easily back. Okay, but as we don't have, I just press Alt left arrow to go back.
HTML project for YouTube. Visited
But for your project, you should always remember where you should use links and how you should provide the best user experience, like linking your pages. As we have just said that if we have any link to back to this page, so that will be easier for the users. So you need to think about this. Okay.
Visited link home page. Visited link Gemini. Opens
So
in a new
Gemini opens in a new tab. Let's see.
Untitled Google Chrome. Gemini main landmark.
So let's close it.
Toolbar.
And next.
Visited link Graphic Autumn.
Okay, let's see.
Autumn Wikipedia. Link jump to content. Banner.
So it is open the Autumn. So this is how you can easily create hyperlinks using HTML. I hope you understood the total process. Please try it on your own and let me know your experience into the comment section. That's it guys for this episode. If you find this episode useful, like the video, share the video and subscribe to VI Tech Academy. Press the bell icon for notifications. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. See you in the next tutorial.